Hi, we're Alex and Valeryia Haroshka, and we are on a mission to help couples to restore God's original intent for their families.
Better Together 1012 is family-focused, Christ-centered ministries. And we would love to share with you our 4 cornerstones.
First, marriage fundamentals. We believe that God created family in beautiful and perfect way. The Bible teaches the family is very important and we have to protect it and value it.
Therefore, what God has joined together, let not man separate. Matthew 19:6. The devil hates family because it shows God's glory.
Family is beautiful. It is divinely created for a great purpose. In family, we grow, learn, love, support, forgive, and move forward to achieve the purpose for our life.
Hatred stirs up conflict, but love covers all wrongdoing. Proverbs 10:12. Let's love each other and fight for our families, not against them.
Number 2 is parenting. Arise, O Lord, lift up your hand, O God. Do not forget the helpless. Psalm 10:12.
Sometimes children are those helpless who are not able to speak up for themselves. Often they become innocent victims. When parents fight, children suffer.
If you want your children to be happy, love your spouse. In the healthy home environment, healthy and successful children will grow up. Healthy families will create healthy and positive society. Children are gifts from the Lord.
Amen.
And we have to protect them.
God trusted us, parents, these young humans, for a very short period of time. It's about 18-20 years. This is crucially important to train up a child when he is young so he won't depart from it when he will be old.
When you go into a house, say, "Peace be with you," Matthew 10:12. May God bless your home with peace.
Amen. Number 3, personal calling. There is a purpose for every individual and every family.
Even if you are going through some difficult time and you get so discouraged, remember, there is God to whom you can trust.
He will never leave you or forsake you.
Do not be afraid, Daniel. Since the first day that you set your mind to gain understanding and to humble yourself before your God, your words were heard, and I have come in response to them. Daniel 10:12.
Never give up. There is hope for every hopeless. God's will, God's way, God's timing are always better.
Number 4, it's family revivals.
And now, Israel, what does the Lord your God require of you? But to fear the Lord your God, to walk in all his ways, and to love him, and to serve the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul. Deuteronomy 10:12.
The Bible shows that marriage is the representation of relationship between Jesus and his church. This is why it's important to work on marriage to be the best representation.
Amen. Because for some people, a strong Christian family is the only gospel they might see. Our families are our living testimonies. Let our light shine bright.
Blessing to you and blessing to your family.
Amen.